In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this advanced checkerboard pattern where normally the alternate colours are on the opposing faces. Well, this time we've got three colours sort of mixed amongst these three faces, and same with the opposite three on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Check out my other videos showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, a 3x3, a 4x4 and even a 5x5. So to do this pattern you do need to start with a solved Rubik's Cube, so you need to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube or have a solved Rubik's Cube, and you need to know how to use algorithms on a Rubik's Cube too. If you don't already know how to use algorithms, then check out my 3x3 tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So to do this pattern we just need an algorithm, and the algorithm is F, B2, Ri, D2, B, R, U, DI, R, Li, DI, Fi, R2, D, F2, BI. Let's do that then. We go F, B, 2, Ri, D, 2, B, R, U, DI, R, Li, DI, Fi, R2, D, F2, BI. That gives us this advanced checkerboard pattern. So to undo this pattern and put us back to a solved Rubik's Cube, you see how we've got three different colours mixed amongst three faces. Well, this is how you want it. You want those three faces as the front, the top and the right face. So you don't want it like this, because you see these two colours don't match any of these, or like this. If you were using these colours, you'd want it like this, so these three colours match these three faces. In this case, you would have this one as your front, or this one as the front, or this one as a front, as long as you've got one on the front, on the top, on the right. Same with these colours, you'd want it like this, so this is the front, this is the top, and this is the right. And then we just repeat the same algorithm 2 more times. So let's do that then. We go F, B, 2, Ri, D, 2, B, R, U, DI, R, Li, DI, Fi, R2, D, F2, BI. And you see we've still got the same pattern, but the colours are rotated. Keep the same front, and we'll just repeat the same algorithm 1 more time. F, B, 2, Ri, D, 2, B, R, U, DI, R, Li, DI, Fi, R2, D, F2, BI. And that puts us back to a completed Rubik's Cube. Hope it helped guys, and thanks for watching. For more Rubik's Cube patterns, check out my other videos, and also if you know of any other Rubik's Cube patterns that you'd like me to make a video of, then feel free to leave a comment in the comment section with the algorithm, and maybe I'll make a video of that in the future. Thanks a lot guys, bye.